Cabos 5 outrageous villas.
Hi, I'm KT Morgan, the host of Cabos Finest Real Estate. Forget everything you know about luxury. This is Los Cabos, where the villas here are not just big, they're outrageous.
Here are the 5 most jaw-dropping estates that prove why Cabo is the playground of the global elite. Kicking off the list, the former Casamigos twin properties at El Dorado. George Clooney and Randy Gerber, before they sold their tequila brand for a cool $1 billion, had twin beachfront homes here. They sold the whole $100 million compound and sailed off to Lake Como. Cheers to that. Next, the Aussie billionaire James Packer. He needed a little beach shack to complement his giga yacht, the IJE, so he bought 4 lots at Palmilla Cove and built a sprawling $50 million multi-building mansion. We're talking about a fortress of luxury just for those rare Cabo drop-ins. This is true VIP status. The Ty Warner Mansion, named for the BD Baby billionaire, is one of Mexico's most exclusive private accommodations, part of the legendary Las Ventanas al Paraíso. This beachfront monster spans 28,000 square feet, pure, handcrafted Mexican artistry. Next is a yacht and villa combo. Russian billionaire Oleg Tinkov's La Dacha is both a 77-meter expedition yacht and a sprawling beachfront villa in Pedregal. Guests get private chefs, a spa, and a true land-meets-sea experience. The final spot isn't a house, it's the land for one. El Cielo 2 is a $90 million, 2.5-acre lot at Maravilla with over 500 feet of oceanfront. When the future owner builds their compound, it's virtually guaranteed to be the most expensive private residence in all of Mexico.
Outrageous wealth and outrageous villas. Which one would you choose? We are Cabos Finest Real Estate, and we know luxury. We make your paradise happen.